So temperature, growth in fish, minimum quantity of dissolved oxygen required for cold water fishes like salmon fishes 9 ppm, and for tropical water fishes like Cyprinidae formis fishes 7.5 ppm. Growth in fishes is normal at normal temperature at 13 to 20 centigrade temperature. Slow growth occurs at 5 temperature to 5 centigrade to 13 centigrade, and growth is totally arrested when the temperature falls below 5 centigrades. Tilapia mosambica shows normal growth at 20 centigrade, but death occurs when it is less than 12 centigrade. Both Cyprinidae and Cyril, uh, Cyprinidae fishes and Silurids fishes breed and span in summers. In salmons, through growth is normal at 15 centigrade to 20 centigrade temperature. Breeding occurs only at 10 centigrades. If there is no fall in temperature, swapping never occurs. Development of the fertilized eggs is also influenced by surrounding temperature. Development of the fertilized eggs is also influenced by surrounding temperature. Temperature needed for the development of eggs is follows. Tilapia eggs 20 centigrade to 30 centigrades. Salmon fishes eggs 10 centigrades. Eggs for major corps fishes 20 centigrade to 30 centigrade, 20 centigrade to 37 centigrade temperature. It is not possible to maintain constant temperature in a pond. It is not possible to maintain constant temperature in a pond. If desired, temperature can be regulated by filling the pond with fresh water, or by the addition of new water, or by letting out the excess of water. Temperature variation in ponds is between 16.5 centigrade in January to 31.5 centigrade June to September. 31.5 centigrade temperature June to September. And his river is given rivers. Physico-chemical factors of India rivers. Physico-chemical factors of India rivers. Ganga river temperature 16.5 to 31.5 temperature. Turbidity 100 to 2070 ppm. To oxygen dissolved 5 to 10.5 oxygen dissolved. మరి alkalinity means base 80 to 260. Hardness of water 39 to 210 grams per liter hardness of water. So Ganga river water. Yamuna river water 19.2 32 centigrade temperature. Turbidity 2400. Oxygen dissolved 3.1 to 8.5. మరి alkalinity 8.5 to 270 alkalinity. but 35 to 185 hardness of water. So Krishna River temperature, Krishna River temperature 4.2 28.8 centigrade temperature కృష్ణ. మరి ఈ టర్బిడిటీ 250 ppm to 4700 ppm కృష్ణా వాటర్ టర్బిడిటీ, 3.7 to 5.6 ఆక్సిజన్ డిజాల్వ్డ్ ml per liter. ఆల్కలైనిటీ 81.9 to 105.4 ఆల్కలైనిటీ పర్ లీటర్. మరి హార్డ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ 38 to 196 హార్డ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. డెప్త్ ఆఫ్ ది పాండ్ వేరియేషన్ ఇన్ physicochemical factors in generally observed depending upon the depth of the pond. Depth of the pond variation in physicochemical factors is generally observed depending upon the depth of the pond. When the depth is less, sunlight can reach the bottom of the pond, and hence homogeneous distribution of the producers occur. They naturally increase the productivity, but water gets warmed up quickly and even leads to the death of the fishes. When the pond is deep, sunlight cannot be reached the bottom of the pond, hence produce are limited to the euphotic zone. Organisms living in the bottom of the pond may die because of a low living in the bottom of the pond may die because a low temperature, slow degradation of waste materials and carcasses, high concentration of toxic substances. Depth of an ideal pond varies between 2 to 3.5 meters, when the productivity and yield would be more. Depth of an ideal pond varies between 2 to 3.5 meters, when the productivity and yield would be more. Transparency of water or turbidity. Light can easily pass through clear water. Planktonic organisms, silt and sandy particles entering the pond during rainy season, sewage released through human activity, etc. Increase the turbidity. This results in the decrease of eutrophic zone and thus the productivity. It is estimated that dust particles range between 2000 to 5000 ppm during rainy seasons. Indian corps can tolerate frequent variations in the turbidity of pond water. They can successfully live even in turbidity waters by developing adaptability. Silt particles of water get entangled in gill chambers and inhibit respiratory activity, resulting in the death of the fish. To protect themselves, fish secrete large quantities of mucus which attracts the soil and silt particles. This facilitates normal respiration. Fishes living in the turbid water possess small eyes. Silt and sandy particles vary between 11,000 to 2,170 ppm in the month of July to September, and less than 100 ppm in the month of January to June. Light incidence of light depends upon its intensity. Incidence of light depends upon its intensity. Its entry into the deeper water zones is reduced by the presence of plankton, silty and sand and other yes, and other suspended particles. Light is necessary for photosynthesis to occur. Its absence result in less vegetation, depletion of producers, etc. The hampers the primary productivity of the pond. Primary productivity is more in well-lighted euphotic zone of the pond, which results in high fish yield. Water currents, water flow. Water currents brought about by floodwater. Water current brought about by floodwater. Waves and outgoing water help in homogeneous dispersal of the feed in the pond, while indirectly contribute to enhanced productivity. Rapid water movements consumed by the entry of floodwater initiates reproductive activity such as breeding, swapping, etc. Organisms lying in speedy flowing waters may develop adaptive measures like suckers to attach firmly with substratum. High pressure due to speed wave action results in soil erosion, high turbidity, drop in primary productivity, non-availability of food materials, etc. Shore conditions. Increased shore length results in exposing larger areas of water to sunlight. This this enhances vegetation and phytoplanktonic growth, which in turn brings and about rise in primary productivity and thus increased fish yield. Shady trees along the shoreline. Shady trees along the shoreline, high vegetation in surface and deeper water zones. Non-transparency of water due to sandy and silt, that is high turbidity, cutting of light entering the pond, etc. Lessens the productivity. Shore conditions, water currents. So shore conditions, water currents, light, transparency of water, turbidity and temperature. So depth of pond. So physical factors, temperature, depth of the pond. Physical factors, temperature, depth of the pond, transparency of water or turbidity, light, transparency of water or ORR, turbidity, transparency of water ORR, turbidity, light. Fifth one, water currents movements. Shore conditions. So These are points. Physical factors. Influence of chemical factors. Dissolved oxygen, influence of chemical factors. So physical factors, temperature, depth of the pond, transparency of water or turbidity, light, water currents and shore conditions. Influence of chemical factors: dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, pH, nutrients, hardness of water, etc. Influence of chemical factors: dissolved oxygen, DO, carbon dioxide, CO, pH, nutrients, hardness of water, etc. So chemical factors. So chemical factors, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide. Chemical factors, influence of chemical factors: dissolved oxygen, DO, carbon dioxide, CO, pH, hydrogen ion potential, hydrogen ion. So pH, nutrients, hardness of water. So chemical factors are the main chemical factors having influence over the productivity of the culture ponds. Influence of chemical factors: dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, pH, nutrients, hardness of water, etc. are the main chemical factors having influence over the productivity of the culture ponds So first one, pH, hydrogen ion concentration. pH, hydrogen ion concentration, or ORR, potential hydrogen. pH means hydrogen ion concentration, or ORR, potential hydrogen. So pH of water depends upon dissolved minerals and other nutrients. pH of water depends upon dissolved minerals and other nutrients. Showing 1967 proposed that high productivity can be achieved in water with a pH of 6.5 to 9.0 pH. Swingle 1967, SWYNGLE, Swingle name, scientist name. Swingle scientist 1967 proposed that high productivity can be achieved in waters with pH of 6.5 to 9.0 pH. High productivity pH. Pond water becomes acidic, low pH due to rains. Pond water becomes acidic due to rains, low pH. Non-availability of nutrients and entry of Mersey flood water. Mersey, Mersey flood water. Mortality results when pH of water is less than 6.0 and more than 10.8 pH. Pond water becomes acidic due to rains, non-availability of nutrients and entry of Mersey floodwater. Mortality results when pH of water is less than 6.0 and more than 10.8 8 pH. Diurnal fluctuations in pH are observed in culture ponds. Diurnal fluctuations in pH are observed in culture ponds. Water is slightly acidic in early hours. Water is slightly acidic in early hours, highly alkalinic at noon times. Diurnal fluctuations in pH are observed in culture ponds. Water is slightly acidic in early hours and highly alkalinity at noon times. Diurnal fluctuations in pH are observed in culture ponds. Water is slightly acidic in early hours and highly alkalinity or alkaline at noon times. pH is not uniform. pH is not uniform in all ponds. pH is not uniform in all ponds and in all seasons. Thus, seasonal variation is also seen. pH is not uniform in all ponds. pH is not uniform in all ponds and in all seasons. pH is not uniform in all ponds and in all seasons. Thus, seasonal variation is also seen. Water with a pH of 7.5 to 8.5 is considered best for fish culture. Water with a pH of 7.5 to 8.5